TRAK-KIT has partnered with SiliconCore here to create different ways where we can incorporate dvLED technology for the built environment. Using our Super TRAK system, we are able to transform and create a kinetic and dynamic system using the LED technology. Displays move, rotate, and reposition at a touch of a button. For corporate environments, dvLED displays can be used as movable partitions or immersive backdrops. You can switch between portrait and landscape and conceal displays when not in use. This will eliminate any blank wall spaces or spaces that you have glass or views, and every surface can become a digital canvas.
This solution uses our Enlighten product line. It's a COB solution with our common cathode IQ for ultra-low power. These displays expand the creative potential for workplaces, digital signage, and brand environments. Enlighten is SiliconCore's COB series, which delivers displays with the highest performance and ultra-low power consumption. It's powered by our high-performance patented technology, including our common cathode IQ. It powers individual LEDs in a more efficient way by supplying dedicated power voltages to each individual LED. This results in 50% lower operating temperature, 40% higher brightness, and lower power than the market average. If you'd like to find out more about TRAK-KIT systems and SiliconCore Enlighten series, go to silicon-core.com.